Broken things don't land, they lie where they fall. You say the night is twisted in your back. You don't remember that it wasn't mine, but you're my friend, my friend. And you know when things are not the same, you can't hide your eyes, 'cause it's time, there's nothing you can change. You're too smart to waste your mind on hate, and you know too late it don't mean a thing if you're my friend, my friend. You are my friend, my friend.
That is a band to watch. That's the Rain Parade, who'll be playing live in the UK next month. And the song You Are My Friend. Now, in a couple of weeks' time on the show, we'll be featuring them, plus bands like the Pontiac Brothers and Thin White Rope, in a film report that I put together on the exciting new music that is coming from California. Wait for it.
With the sound of Janice.
It's ever so bright, but at least it makes a change from the weather that we usually get. I'm up a hill, as you can see, and you'll spot the connection in a moment. And I'm here to meet a band who I think are just wonderful. I really, really love their sound. They're the Loft, and they're up this hill too. How did the Loft come about?
It was about 2 years ago, really, when Andy and I got together to write some songs, and the others we sort of picked up along the way.
You always easily fall into a trap being a guitar band because people have got you down as either wimps or heavy metal. There doesn't seem to be too much in the middle, but Pete and myself have got quite distinct guitar styles, I think. Pete sort of plays pretty sort of crazy and straight from the heart, and I play more sort of sensible from the head, I suppose you could say, so the two sort of go together very well.
You're a modest bunch of chaps, so can you see yourself being made to do things like, I don't know, Wham videos, running around the countryside, you
Up
know,
and down this hill.
women on each arm and that sort of...
Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Hopefully it's just a musical thing, but I mean it's a bit difficult these days because so much music's sold on wackiness and all that sort of stuff.
Do you know we've got this hill here?
Yes.
I think we should put it to use, don't you? And we've got this arty director, I'm sure he's going to make you run up and down.
I'm sure he's going to try, yes. Yes.
Go strange down country lane, great big wheels by farmers' fields, house sounds travel round and round, money cackles in a lucky town, over the hill and down the soul to the rattle of the sound of going home.
What about your new single, the one that you're going to perform when we get back into the
Yes.
studio?
Up the hill and down the slope.
Up the hill and down the slope.
We never really made it, thinking that we were going to go into the top 30. I mean, it's not something that we really think about, you know. If we can get enough money to make another record after this, a bit better than this one, that's good enough for the time being anyway. We think it's brilliant, actually. We're not usually ones for blowing our own trumpet, as you probably know, but we're really pleased with this one, and we just
I
hope.
don't think we've done that, we're actually
Yeah.
reasonably happy.
The first thing we've done that we're all behind 100%.